how to install the Houdini 28 harness. Firstly, remove the harness from the packaging and remove the rubber bands holding the folded webbing. Locate the top of the harness by looking for 2 Ratley tri-glides on the short side of the rectangle section of the PVC pad. Now, lift the whole harness up from these 2 tri-glides and place them over the back of the vehicle seat. The weight of these should keep the harness in a good position to move on to the next part. The 2 vertical straps that are on the bottom of the PVC pad will not have any buckles attached to them. They are nice and narrow to be able to be slipped between the vehicle seat cushion and the backrest. Pull them through the gap until they are fully tight. Now place the webbing through the metal tri-glide that is resting up against the backrest. The webbing needs to be threaded and locked like this, under and over the metal bar, and then pulled firmly. Now thread the remaining webbing through the plastic tri-glide, under and over like so, to fully secure the harness. Now have the user seated. Place the 2 shoulder straps over the shoulders. Pull the webbing to tighten on the shoulders. The waist strap must now be tightened for a firm fit around the user's trunk. Next, take the last remaining webbing strap that has a loop and pull it up between the user's legs. Do not pull this too tight as this may hurt the user. Place the loop over the buckle. If it is too loose, pull the webbing to achieve the correct height. Then secure the buckle to the trunk pad that is attached to the neoprene pad like so. Ensure all buckles are secured and straps are tightened. Now, place the neoprene pads on the user's shoulders and between the legs and fold together, securing in place with the Velcro. These are not mandatory to use, however they do make the harness more comfortable, especially for longer journeys. Very important, lastly, place the vehicle seatbelt on the user over the top of the harness. You are now ready to use the Houdini 28 harness.